This chainsaw strike team Friday afternoon made fast work out of several fallen trees in South Austin. Just one of many assignments for the day.
The mission is still making sure that we have access to roadways, sidewalks, and fire hydrants, and locating other potential hazards, issues along electrical lines, things like that. So getting in, most of our roads are cleared, but we still have some spots where we need to get further access, make sure that we've got 2 lanes of travel, things like that.
39 specialists from the Texas Forest Service formed up into 7 different crews. They've been deployed across the Austin metro area, going from Hamilton Pool to Parks and Elgin. In the first 5 days, 150 trees were cut and 125 miles of roadway cleared. Every day has been a long day turning hardwood into sawdust, according to Josh Mizrahi. He arrived from Huntsville this past Saturday.
Each hazard is its own incident. We're taking it as we go. Each tree, when you have storm damage like this, you've got a lot of complicated cuts. So every tree, it's not like the one before. Take it slow and make sure you're doing everything fast and getting production.
The strike teams in their familiar bright yellow jackets and green uniforms are a welcome sight for residents with storm damage.
Everybody's been really great. One thing, all the crews have been saying that everybody's been very thankful, offering us cookies and water and things like that.
The city of Austin released the state teams earlier this week, which allowed them to focus on problem spots in Williamson County and around Bastrop. But a relief team arrived Thursday after Austin called them back.
I think with the city of Austin, they had time to look and realize the support that we could provide, realize there were places where we were still needed and available to help them out, and requested us to make sure that we could get now working on some things, maybe not the roadways, but the sidewalks adjacent to the roadways, so folks maybe can access and still walk along safely.
The Forest Service Chainsaw Brigade is expected to work through the weekend.